sit back, relax, grab a drink, and enjoy today's Vlogmas day 3. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Hey, Vlogmas day 3. I can't believe it. Hey, BBs. So I'm actually dressed and made up because we needed to take some pictures for my Instagram, so I thought I need to get creative because it is pitch black dark outside by the time I get off work. So I have to start trying to take some pictures because it's been really hard to just get pictures done on the weekend. So I got creative and I'm like, I'm gonna get ready. So during my lunch break, because Jeff is actually off today, so I'm actually able to do it. So during my lunch break, he's gonna take a picture of me. During like my last break, we'll take another picture so I can get some pictures done. Hopefully I can get a couple pictures during lunch, but also I do need to eat lunch also during that time. So we'll do what we can. I'm hoping for at least 2 pictures. That's my goal. And so yeah, and I'm in a different robe right now. This is my white one. It's not actually considered a robe. They call it a sleep cardigan, but whatever. There's not an actual tie, so maybe that's why they call it the sleep cardigan versus a robe. But I really like it. It's so soft. I got this one and the pink one you guys saw yesterday. They're great because I have been colder. It's gotten really cold. Yeah, it's supposed to get a high of 52, so it's definitely a cold, chilly day out. It was frosty in the morning when I first woke up. I mean, it's still frosty too, so I'm sure it's gonna be frosty for a little while. I had my Premier Protein, the cafe latte flavor again. I've been really trying to drink more water too because I've been really bad about drinking my water. And later on, I'm gonna show you a craft that I did for Carmela, and they were gonna come over and pick it up later. You'll see, I made her an advent calendar. I'll show you a little preview when I can later tonight. But it is so freaking cute. I'm so happy with how it turned out. It was a lot of fun to make, but and that is my timer that I need to clock in. So I'll check back in with you guys later. I hear this song too often throughout the day that I just dance to it at this point now. So I decided to make Carmela this really cool gift. I don't want to show you guys what's inside because she watches my vlogs, so she'll know what is in there. But I made her this advent calendar, and in each of these there is a different gift. So I just got this poster board from the Dollar Tree, and I got some Solo cups and some bags also from the Dollar Tree. The silver ones came in a 2-pack, and the snowflake and that snowflake came in a 2-pack, and then the little ones were in 3-packs. So I was able to try to do the most bang for my buck and not have to spend too much on just making this board. But I think it turned out really cute, and I'm so excited for her to see something fun every day. Most of the gifts are from the dollar store, but then I did get some things from like Walmart and stuff too, so there'll be a really fun variety. So I just do the numbers on them so she knows which one to open for each day. Only thing I wish I would have done is maybe got like a hot glue gun or something to where I could have made it a little more sturdy, because I can't set it up like I had originally envisioned. But overall, I think it turned out really fun. This would be a fun idea if you have someone on your list, or even if you want to do it for your own kids, grandkids. I don't know. I'm really excited. Like one day, whenever we are blessed to have a child of our own, I definitely want to do this tradition. I want to do it every year. Honestly, I was even telling Jeff that I would want to do something where I maybe have like a box or something where I can open it every day for the 24 days and have something different in the box. I don't know, just something that I could reuse every year, you know, maybe not a DIY, but I still think it turned out really fun, and I'm so excited for her to get it and let me know what she thinks of all the things that she got. So that is my little crafty thing that I did. I'm so excited for her to get it. So me and Jeff are off work, and I am tired. He's tired. We decided just to get dinner to go tonight. So we're going to Panda Express. I haven't been there actually in maybe a month. It's so good though. I love the orange chicken, one of my faves, and I was good, and we've been eating tacos. I made them on, I think it was Monday night, either Sunday or Monday night, and then we had it the other days. So yes. We're gonna go home and probably watch a Christmas movie. I just literally we're going nowhere besides Panda Express tonight, but I was like, oh, maybe we'll go somewhere. But then honestly, I have a bit of a migraine. I'm like, you know what? I literally got dressed up, as you can see, with my cute purple coat, and I even put my butterfly necklace on. But I'm having a migraine, and I was like, you know what? I better just get dinner, go home and relax, because I'm not feeling 100% right now, and I don't really want to push myself too much, you know? I'm really trying to listen to myself and not push myself too much too often, because then you end up just feeling worse. So just got back home. How you doing, babe?
I'm tired.
Today you were off. How are you so tired?
Because I want to go get the car maintenance. I had to go do a return, and then I had to go grocery shopping. So there was my day.
Yes, we do have a fun little project coming. It'll probably be up on Sunday's vlog. We're making something really fun and unique.
I feel like getting too close to my nose.
No, I'm not.
You guys won't miss those hairs.
No, trust me, it's not too close. You're totally fine. Now it's too close. Oh man, well, we're gonna watch a Christmas movie. I'm not sure which one we're gonna watch, but we're gonna watch something good.
Gonna watch something.
And then I'll probably watch.
She's picking tonight.
Yes, I am picking, and we'll probably watch. Well, I'll probably watch the Real Housewives of Salt Lake City.
Ooh.
I think it's on tonight, so I'll probably watch that a little bit later. It's still kind of early. What time is it now?
6, 7.
Like almost 7.
I think it's almost 7.
So yeah, we'll probably just watch a movie, chill for a little bit, and try to get to bed at a decent hour so I can get a good night's sleep. But
great night's sleep.
Yes, I'm the only one left standing. We watched Christmas in Town Square. I think that's what it's called. It's a new one on Netflix with Dolly Parton in it. It was a musical. I really enjoyed it. So did Jeff. If you like musicals, I'm sure you'd like it. It was cool to see Dolly Parton. I feel like I haven't seen her in a movie in a really long time. And she played an angel, which was just so fitting because she's so extra. And I feel like we're having a really country Christmas because the Christmas photos we're going to take this year are very country inspired. So I'm really excited for you guys to see them when we do them. So now I'm going to watch The Real Housewives of Salt Lake City and wash the makeup off my face, because I already can feel a little zit coming up here, and we are not friends. Me and zits, we are not friends. I don't want you to be here. It is the holiday season. Please go away. Peace out. So I just woke Georgia up. You know she was sleeping good because her lip was halfway up her face. I'm going to try to insert a picture because I took a picture before I started vlogging of her lip was like up halfway. I think it's because her face was smashed for so long and she got up so abruptly. I've never seen her face do that before though, so it was freaking hilarious to me. But anyways, oh man, it has been a wild day here on Vlogmas Day 3. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and remember to just be you. Bye guys.